Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia with Xquisite Floral Design and Events. And today we are going to be talking about number 3 in my series, I'm Engaged, Now What? Today we're going to be talking about how do you find your vendors for your wedding. There are many different things you can do, and here are some of the tips on how you can find the perfect vendor. And don't forget to check out videos on what to do first and how to choose the perfect vendor. How to find the perfect vendor is one, you can always find a wedding planner to help you find the perfect vendor. So you go and you scout out and you find that wedding planner, and she or he normally has a fantastic list of vendors that he or she has worked with before. This is so easy, and you can also let them know what your budget is, and they can kind of find out or pick who is perfect and who can stick within that budget. So sometimes some of our brides do not want to get a wedding planner, but in the end, they end up helping you stay within your budget, even though you had to, pay a chunk for their services. And then you can also tell your wedding planner, okay, could you give me 3 or 4 vendors that you think would fit in my budget, and you can go and interview them and find the one that matches your needs or mesh with you best. Visit online marketplace for weddings such as Wedding Wire, The Knots, brides.com. There's a whole list of different places that you can use to find your perfect vendor. If you look on there, you could sometimes find some of the vendors that have the look that you're going for, who have photographer, who have done like that boho chic or that rustic look, and you can kind of compare and look at pictures and see what you really like, and then send messages to those vendors and then go from there. Talk to your vendors or talk to your venue. They usually have preferred vendors that they use, and it's usually a list of people who are familiar with the location, have pictures of what they have done in the location, so you can kind of get an idea or piggyback off of some of those pictures. Creep on the gram. Yes, oh my goodness, Instagram has tons and tons of people on there and great visual pictures, so you can kind of know what you're going to get. So check Instagram. All I do is just go into the discovery page, type in like wedding flowers in Riverside, that's where I'm at, or California, and find vendors that way. That is such a great way to find. You're going to find tons and tons of people, but that is a great way to find what you're looking for, what you like. You can go through their feed and see all their gorgeous pictures, because like me, I post more on Instagram than I do on my website, because that's mostly where everybody checks nowadays. So that's a good way to find your wedding vendors. Talk to your local friends who just tied the knot. Now that is also a great way to find vendors. You've already known they kind of have the same kind of likes and dislikes because they're your friends, and then you can kind of get what their experience was, an honest opinion on what they felt about that vendor. Browse local print wedding magazines. Sometimes you go into like the bride shops and local florist shops, and they may have bridal magazines. You can browse through those and find some great vendors also. I love, love, love bridal shows. Now, this is a great way for you to kind of see their work, talk to people, and narrow it down. So you get to go in, get free food, walk around, get free stuff. They're usually giving out really great offers, and you get to talk to them face to face. So now you kind of know their personality. You can narrow down some great vendors at a bridal show. All you have to do is just Google a bridal show and you've got a slew. You can find venues, you can find photographers, videographers, caterers, florists, cake people. The list is endless. That is one of my number one picks on how to find vendors. I hope I gave you some really great ideas on how to look for vendors. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel and check out some more of my fabulous videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.